What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a huge clean with me video. We are having a huge birthday party on Saturday. Today is Wednesday, so I have like 3 days to clean this entire mess. And I'm walking around real quick just to give you guys an idea of how messy this house is, and just to give you like a before shot of each room. So here is the dining room, and then here we are in the kitchen. We are in like the heart of baseball season, and so that has taken up so much of our time. My son plays baseball, and then we have been doing a lot of work outside, my husband and I do have videos on all of that, and so I'm not sure which of these videos will be going up in what order, but you will see, if you have not already seen, a bunch of like outdoor type of videos. Here is the living room. The living room is not too bad. And then right down there we have the family room, which also needs a ton of attention. So you guys can see I definitely have my work cut out for me. I love doing these speed clean with me videos. I love watching them. They're always very motivating for myself. Whenever I start watching them, I can probably get through 2 or 3 minutes before I jump up and start cleaning my home as well. So I always hope that these videos serve that type of purpose for you guys as well. And this is just real life. My husband, before I started filming, asked if I am embarrassed to share this with you guys for the world to see on my YouTube channel. And no, I'm not. This is just real life. This is life with 2 kids, one that is heavily involved in a sport. And then, like I said, a lot of our time has been spent right outside doing a bunch of really necessary work out there. And so our time has been well spent in other areas, and that's just what it is. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. We are gonna go room by room, and let's get started. I have my list right here. Last time I did a video like this, I got some comments saying, why make a list, just do it. But for me, I need that tangible list that I'm able to physically see, physically cross stuff off with. So this is just how I prefer to get my work done. I have everything specific for this party, and tons of things that I probably would forget about if I didn't have it written down. So that is why I do these very detailed lists.
Someday I'm gonna build myself a home, complete with love as a cornerstone. There'll be no anger to shake the wall, be no space for loneliness at all. 7 in the morning, down for a swim, run to the ocean, jump right in. Soggy hound. These boys are finding out what life's about. A tiny thought engages me, tells me that it's not to be. Thought gets bigger as the day goes on. Comes home.